Dear students, let us learn in this section tests of divisibility. So here we will learn divisibility of some divisors like 2, 3, 5, 10, 9. Okay. So here first we will learn divisibility by 10. So here let us see the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so on. Here, by looking these examples, here we see that the ones digit is always 0 here. Okay. So hence we can conclude that a number which is divisible by 10 is has its ones digit is 0. Hence, a number is divisible by 10 when its ones digit is 0. Its ones digit is always 0, then it is divisible by 10. So here, the second one, divisibility by 5. So look at the multiples of 5. That is 5, 10, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 3 is 50, 20, 25, so on. Okay, so here we see that the ones digit, this is the ones digit. Okay, the ones digit are alternatively 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. Okay, so no other digit ever appears in this list. So that's why we can conclude that if ones digit of a number is 0 and 5, then it is divisible by 5. Hence, if the ones digit of a number is 0 and 5, 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Here ones digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Next, divisibility by 2. Yes, consider the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, okay, 14, so on. Here in this case, we have the even numbers. Okay, here we have even numbers and even numbers in unit place. So, the numbers which contains 0 or 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, these numbers are divisible by 2. The numbers which contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their unit place, then those numbers are divisible by 2, or generally the all even numbers are divisible by 2. If the ones digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Or we can say all even numbers are divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. So here in this case, so we know the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, okay, 12, 15, so on. We can generally say these numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, so in case of only single digit, we can say these 3, 6, 9 are divisible by 3. So in case of 2 digits or 3 digits or 4 digits, we can calculate. So see a example here. I take one example, 3573. So whether this is divisible by 3 or not, yes, we test here. So here we need to add the all digits, that is 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3. So this is equals to 18. So we know 18 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Then 3573 is divisible by 3. Yes, it is nothing but a number which is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So we can say definition, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Yes, divisibility by 9. So here consider an example. I take one example. 96,372. So here the sum of all digits, that is 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2. So the sum is here 27. Okay, the sum of digits of the given number is 27. Yes, here 27 is divisible by 9. Okay, so then 96,372 is also divisible by 9. So here also, hence we can conclude a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9.